Israel has operated one of the most battle-hardened air forces in the world, built through decades of real conflict and constant modernization. From Cold War fighters to stealth jets and combat drones, every aircraft in this list has played a real role in shaping Israeli air power. We start with air superiority fighters. Mirage ICJ, known as the Shahak, this French-built delta-wing interceptor entered Israeli service in 1962, capable of Mach 2 and armed with 30mm cannons and radar-guided missiles. Israel received around 72. During the 1967 Six-Day War, Shahak pilots achieved dozens of aerial victories in just days of fighting. It remained in service through 1973 and directly inspired two Israeli-built fighters that followed. F-15I Baz. Israel began receiving the F-15 Eagle in 1976, calling it the Baz, meaning Falcon. Twin-engined with a powerful pulse Doppler radar, it gave Israel clear regional air superiority from day one. Israeli Baz pilots accumulated over 50 confirmed aerial kills without a single loss in air-to-air combat, a record still unmatched today. Much of that tally came from the 1982 Bekaa Valley battles. F-15 Eagle. The upgraded C and D models arrived in the 1980s with improved radar and electronic warfare systems. The C is a dedicated single-seat fighter, while the D carries two crew members. Israel heavily modified both with locally developed avionics, creating configurations unique to Israeli service. Combined with earlier models, the full Baz fleet maintained uninterrupted regional air superiority across multiple decades and conflicts. F-35I Adir. The Adir, meaning mighty, entered Israeli service in 2016 as the most advanced aircraft in the Middle East. Israel negotiated unique modifications, including Israeli-built electronic warfare systems and locally made weapons integrations. Its stealth design allows it to operate in defended airspace undetected. Israel is widely reported as the first country to use the F-35 in real combat operations, conducting strikes inside Syria using its stealth capability. Moving on to ground attack aircraft. Super Mystir B-2. Israel received around 36 Super Mystirs in the early 1960s, making it the first Israeli aircraft capable of Mach 1 in level flight. Used as both a fighter and strike platform, it participated in the opening air strikes of the 1967 war that destroyed Arab air forces on the ground within hours. Israel later re-engined several with American J-52 turbojets, extending service life into the mid-1970s. A-4 Skyhawk Ayat. Called the Ayat meaning eagle, Israel received over 300 Skyhawks from the United States beginning in 1967, making it one of the most numerous types ever operated. A compact and reliable ground attack aircraft, the Ayat served through multiple conflicts. It suffered heavy losses in 1973 flying against dense Soviet-supplied missile defenses, but crews flew relentlessly throughout. It transitioned to a training role as F-16S arrived. F-4I Phantom Kernes. Called the Kernes, meaning sledgehammer, Israel received its first Phantoms in 1969. Twin-engined and Mach 2 capable, it carried a massive weapons load across every mission type. It flew intensively during the 1973 war, despite serious losses from surface-to-air missiles. Israel later rebuilt surviving aircraft into the Kernes 2000 with entirely new avionics, one of the most advanced F-4 configurations ever produced. Retired in 2004, F-15I RAM. The RAM, meaning thunder, is Israel's primary long-range precision strike aircraft, derived from the F-15E Strike Eagle and modified to Israeli specifications. Israel received 25 beginning in 1998. It carries conformal fuel tanks for extended range, an Israeli electronic warfare suite, and precision targeting systems for night operations. It is believed to have conducted some of the longest-range strike missions in Israeli Air Force history. F-16I Sufa. The Sufa meaning storm. is the most heavily modified F-16 ever built for any foreign customer. Based on the two-seat F-16D Block 52, Israel ordered 102 with conformal fuel tanks, a fully Israeli avionics suite, and an advanced electronic warfare system. It functions as both a deep strike platform and capable air combat fighter. The Sufa has been Israel's most consistently active aircraft for operations against targets in Syria across the past decade. Kfir, meaning lion cub. The Kfir was developed by Israel Aerospace Industries by pairing a Mirage-derived airframe with the American J-79 turbojet engine for greater thrust. Small canard foreplanes added ahead of the wings improved maneuverability. Israel produced around 212 across multiple variants. The Kfir saw combat in Lebanon during the 1980s and achieved air-to-air kills against Syrian aircraft. Export customers included Ecuador, Colombia, and the United States Navy for aggressor training. Next are reconnaissance and electronic warfare aircraft. RF-4E Phantom RF. Israel operated a dedicated reconnaissance variant of the Phantom fitted with cameras and sensors, replacing the standard nose radar. These aircraft flew deep penetration missions over Arab territory, gathering strategic intelligence before and during conflicts. The RF-4E operated extensively around the 1973 war, collecting imagery and signals intelligence at high speed over heavily defended areas, relying entirely on speed rather than weapons to survive. Boeing 707 Action. Israel converted several Boeing 707 airliners into specialized intelligence and electronic warfare platforms under the Nakshan program. Equipped with signals intelligence sensors and airborne command systems, these aircraft operate at high altitude for extended periods, providing real-time intelligence to ground commanders. Modified variants also carry Israeli-developed airborne early warning radar systems, giving commanders a persistent and wide-area picture of regional air activity around the clock. Now we look at transport and utility aircraft. C-130 Hercules. The C-130 has been Israel's primary military transport since the 1970s, capable of operating from short and unprepared airstrips. It supported every major Israeli operation across 5 decades. Its most famous mission was the 1976 Entebbe rescue, flying over 2,500 miles to Uganda, landing at night, and extracting over 100 hostages in one of the most precisely executed special operations in history. Israeli examples have been repeatedly upgraded with modern systems. Boeing 707 REM. Israel converted Boeing 707 airframes into strategic aerial refueling tankers, designated REM. These aircraft provide the air-to-air refueling capability that makes long-range strike missions possible. Without tanker support, many deep penetration operations by Israeli F-15s and F-16s could not be completed, operating discreetly at extended range. The REM quietly enables a significant portion of Israel's strategic reach and is a critical component of every major operation conducted beyond its borders. Next come trainer aircraft. T-6 Texan II. Israel adopted the American T-6 Texan II as its primary basic trainer, replacing older aircraft in the pipeline with a modern turboprop platform. The pressurized cockpit, advanced avionics, and ejection seats expose student pilots to realistic systems from an early stage. It builds foundational skills in aerobatics, instrument flying, and formation work before pilots advance to jets, serving as a demanding filter in one of the world's most selective combat pilot training programs. M346 Lavi. Israel selected the Italian-built M346, designated Lavi in local service, as its advanced jet trainer, replacing the aging Skyhawk in the lead-in role. With fly-by-wire controls, a glass cockpit, and avionics representative of frontline fighters, the Lavi allows instructors to simulate combat scenarios before pilots transition to the F-16 or F-35. It significantly shortened the training pipeline, while raising the standard of pilots entering operational squadrons. Finishing with helicopters, AH-64 Apache Patton, called the Patton meaning Cobra, Israel's Apache attack helicopter arrived in the late 1980s and has been one of the most actively used combat aircraft in the entire military. Armed with Hellfire missiles, rockets, and a 30mm chain gun, and equipped for night operations, Israeli Patton crews have accumulated extensive combat experience across operations in Lebanon and Gaza, conducting precision strikes against fortified positions in some of the most complex environments faced by any attack helicopter force. CH-53 Yas'ur. The CH-53C Stallion, called the Yas'ur, has served as Israel's primary heavy-lift helicopter since the late 1960s, participating in virtually every significant operation since. Capable of carrying large numbers of troops or heavy equipment, the Yas'ur has been repeatedly upgraded by Israeli industry with modern avionics and defensive systems. It played a central role in the 1973 war inserting and extracting special forces and has remained in continuous frontline service for over 5 decades. UH-60 Black Hawk Yanshuf. Designated Yanshuf in Israeli service, the Black Hawk fills the medium-lift utility and special operations transport role. Equipped with defensive systems, night vision-compatible cockpits, and terrain-following capability, Israeli Yanshuf crews conduct infiltration missions, combat search and rescue, and medical evacuation. Smaller than the Yas'ur, it operates effectively in tighter terrain, making it well-suited for the time-sensitive insertion missions that Israeli Special Operations Forces conduct regularly across the region. Finally, drones. IAI Heron. The Heron is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aircraft developed by Israel Aerospace Industries and one of the most widely exported military drones in the world. With an endurance of over 40 hours and a ceiling above 30,000 feet, it carries electro-optical, infrared, and signals intelligence sensors for persistent surveillance. Israel uses the Heron extensively for border monitoring and operational reconnaissance, and it has been exported to over a dozen countries, including India, Canada, Germany, and Australia. Hermes 450. Developed by Elbit Systems, the Hermes 450 is a tactical medium-endurance drone used extensively by Israeli forces for intelligence gathering and strike missions. With an endurance of around 17 hours and the ability to carry precision-guided munitions, it operates in both surveillance and direct attack roles. The Hermes 450 has been heavily used in operations over Gaza, providing persistent overhead coverage and conducting precision strikes against targets with minimal collateral impact in complex urban environments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more military and aircraft content. Like the video and support the channel for more powerful explain videos. Subscribe now and stay ready for the next episode.